Yo, it's your boy Drivers DRZ whatever. I'm gonna show you how to do that like easy mask thing. It wasn't even the best, but here you go. Put the camera somewhere stationary, like so like the camera doesn't move like this or something. Make sure the lighting doesn't like change or some shit. Make sure the lighting, like you don't have a shadow on the floor or some shit. Look, I got this like air horn. Boom. It's gone. It's gone, guys. It's not really gone. If I replay this footage, you'll see what I mean. And then watch. I drop it. Basically, what you do is you add a mask on CapCut, or whatever. You look for mask right here, and then boom. First of all, you're gonna have a still image in the background. So you go and press on the video, and then freeze. So what I did was I get the circle one. And then boom, I reverse it. I do a little bit of a feather to make it blend if the lighting's not right. Reverse it. Now I keyframe it, making it smaller each time as it falls until it disappears. And then boom, that's your Noclip. Yeah. It wasn't as hard as you thought.